Guys, how's it going? Today's special video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what is the roadmap for 2019. Yes, we started with a programming language called Flutter. We'll be going forward doing that. We'll be learning about mobile applications, but we're also going to be talking about a lot of technologies, a lot of programming languages, and a lot of stacks about how you can develop your own genre of programming. So there is a front-end development, there's a back-end development. We're going to be talking about the full stack. We're also going to be taking tutorial videos on what basics of data structures are, what the programming basics are, and just not stop with that. There are going to be projects that we're going to build together, and we're also going to take up Q&A sessions going forward, so that will help you guys with a lot of questions that you might have. 2019 is very bright. I have just started, and I'm going to look forward to guys seeing at the end of this year. If you like this channel, do not forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so that you get instant notifications.